kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the toothpaste, toothbrush, teeth and mouthwash. First we paint the toothpaste pink color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Toothpaste is ready. Now we paint the toothbrush. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Pink color on toothpaste. Light blue color. Now we paint the mouthwash toner. Yellow color. Purple color. Light blue color. Yellow color in teeth. Brushing teeth for good health. Kids, our toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash toner and teeth is ready with beautiful colors. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.